Hi, this is Hassa with WTI.
And let me tell you about something I didn't know I needed until I actually got it. This is one of my favorite things right now is the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser. I went to the dentist and he told me that since I have permanent retainers, I would need a water flosser. And it comes with different heads for different needs. I get the regular tips for daily cleaning and a tongue scraper to help with freshness. There's also a special tip that goes in between permanent retainers, which are the ones that I have, and that's exactly where I get most food stock, and it works so well. It's very easy to use. I just fill the tank with water, I turn it on, and then I choose between the three modes that it has: a soft mode for sensitive gums, a massage mode to stimulate my gums, and then the clean mode for deeper plaque and food removal. It is cordless, so also waterproof, which is great because I can use it even when I'm showering. Very easy to travel with. And again, this is my favorite part, the tongue scraper, because I had never used one and this was a lifesaver. It does make my breath smell so fresh. I feel like my teeth are cleaner now. I am more confident. And once you try, you'll notice a difference immediately. And that's why I'm obsessed with this product.
And that's just my point of view.